Okay, I was able to make thousands of dollars by re-uploading old videos, and in this video I want to show you exactly how that's done and how you could realistically do the exact same thing. Now, all this information is going to be based off of the accounts that I own, which is known as Fly Juggler on social media with 470,000 followers. That's just on Instagram, by the way. On TikTok, I have around 300k, on YouTube 163k, and on Snapchat 340k followers. And just to show you guys, because I'm fully transparent with exactly how much money I make and how, in the past 60 days, I made around $5,000 with TikTok, and I've also made around $5.3 thousand with YouTube in the past 90 days. So between just these platforms, it's making me roughly 3k a month, and there's even more if you include other sources related to this. But this is the main premise, and it's just from posting shorts. But what's really cool is that a chunk of a lot of this money was from old videos that I just re-uploaded. So when it comes to re-uploading old videos, you can use it to make money. Because if you're monetized on TikTok, or if you're monetized on YouTube or Snapchat or Facebook, I have videos on how to do all of those things on this channel, then you get paid per 1,000 views that you get. And so as long as you can get more views, even if it's on an old video that you posted, you get to make more money from that. So there's 3 different types of things you can do. The first is just re-uploading a video that you've already uploaded in the past. And a lot of people don't know this, but you can do this and it can still make money the second, third, fourth time that you upload this video. A really good example of this on my channel actually is if you sort by popular, you can see one of my most popular videos of all time is this one right here called Cartoon Juggling with 12 million views. And a while ago, we realized that we could just take this exact same video and repost the same thing. And that's exactly what we did. If you scroll down on my channel, you can see down here, this video right here has 1.9 million views and it's pretty much the exact same video. The only thing that I did differently was this one didn't have any captions on the screen, and then this one down here did have captions at the bottom of the screen. I just added that one addition so the video would be technically new, but otherwise it's literally the exact same video. And if I remember correctly, I think this video made me an extra like $500 to $1,000, and this is just by taking a video that I already had and reposting it. So if you're not already doing that, you're missing out on pretty much free money and free growth for your channel. So if you want to do that, you can just go to a video you've posted in the past, download it without a watermark using like a third-party website, and then just re-upload those and maybe even add captions just to switch it up a little bit, or maybe switch around the text hook. That's another thing I've tried doing. The second thing that you can do, and I really recommend this one, is reposting across multiple platforms. You could take the same exact video, post it on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, Facebook, literally every single social media platform, and this is just an extreme no-brainer in my opinion. And I want to give an example for this. If you look at this video that I made on TikTok called How to Fake Juggling, it is 60,000 views on TikTok. On TikTok, it didn't get that many views and it didn't make that much money, but on YouTube, it was completely different. You can see on YouTube, this video got 13 million views and it's the exact same one. It's literally the same video, How to Fake Juggling. I just re-uploaded it to YouTube, and instead of getting 61,000 views like it did here, it got 13 million. And so if I look at the analytics on this video, you can see that this video made me $2,000. And that's just by reposting a video that I initially made for TikTok, but I made sure to get on every social media platform to make sure that it made me money. And again, like this is a video that didn't even go viral on TikTok. So if you're not posting to other platforms, you're risking not even making money from the videos that you really should be making money from. And so that's why I actually just use repurpose.io. I'll leave the link to this in the description. It's 100% free to start. But basically what it lets you do is it lets you set up automations between every social media platform. So my main social media platform is Instagram. So all my Instagram posts go up on there. And then since Repurpose lets me set up automations, whenever I post to Instagram, it automatically gets that video posted to TikTok, YouTube, Snapchat, Pinterest, and even X. So if I click on view workflow, you can see Repurpose is actually the software that's scheduling out and posting all of these videos for me. All I have to do is manually post on Instagram, and then TikTok does the rest. So it is an absolutely beautiful software. It has helped me make so much extra money, and I couldn't recommend it. And it solves the problem of having to figure out how to manually post on every other platform very nicely. Then if you're already reposting your old videos and you're already reposting across platforms, the third and final thing you can do is re-upload the same exact concept. And this has also worked for me time and time again. Even if you're recording in a different background or something slightly different, if it's a concept that went viral in the past, you should definitely do it again because it can go viral again in the future. I want you to notice that my second most viral and my third most viral video on TikTok are both basically the exact same one. They both have the hook Cartoon Juggling, and if I play the video for you, I think you'll be able to see the similarities. Check this out. When you see juggling in cartoons, it usually looks like this, where they're juggling in a circle with either 3, 4, or 5 balls, and Okay, so that's the first one, and then let's check the second one.
If you see juggling in cartoons, it normally looks like this, where they're juggling in a circle with either 3, 4, or 5 balls.
So same exact video, basically, slightly different background. I maybe made it slightly different when I talked about certain tricks, but yeah, these are basically the exact same concept, and I re-recorded it a second time, and it got 12 million views the second time. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I've low-key ran this concept into the ground. I've continued to repeat this, and it doesn't go viral every time, but you can see this one still got 800k views, this one still got 500k views, and in general, it's really beneficial to just repost the videos that you've had in the past that can actually go viral. Even if it's not the same exact video, if it's the same concept, I guarantee if you use it, it'll work again and again, because it's not like every social media viewer actually remembers what is being said. Like, they probably don't even remember the reel that they watched 5 minutes ago, so they're definitely not going to remember if you're posting the same concept of a reel that you posted 5 days ago or even 2 weeks or a month ago. So yeah, the mission of this channel is to help you guys grow on social media and make more money, so if we delivered on that mission, make sure to leave a like. And as always, thank you guys all so much for watching the video. I'll catch you all in the next one, and peace.